Okay, you guys, you know what time it is. It's 2021. It's time for me to do my holiday light spectacular. I do this every single year, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with the outside of the house, and we are doing these pretty beautiful sparkly lights. Yes, we have this in the garage and on the side of the house. Oh, they're like twinkly lights. Well, they are like twinkly stars. They're so pretty. Okay, then we have the bush. Now things look a little different this year because some of our bushes have died. So we have planted some new ones and there's some that's missing. So this one is still there. And then we have the lights go along the side of the house here on the windowsill and then right here. This little bush is covered. These little baby bushes. These don't have lights, but this little plant here has lights. Very, very cute. Close up of the window there. Very, very cute. Yeah. Okay. Then we have these bushes here. And then I'm gonna show you guys from this angle. Then we have these bushes here. These little baby bushes are so cute. I love them. This window is covered in white and blue lights. So nice. And then of course we had to bring back the gumdrops, holiday gumdrops with candy canes. And the candy canes, I don't know if you can see. There we go. But they're held up by candy canes, and I call this a candy cane walkway. So I'm gonna walk up the walkway so you guys can see this properly. So look how cute that looks. So the walkway starts here, and both sides have this beautiful display. It is honestly stunning. Yes, it's beautiful. And then we have the doormat that says, "Baby, it's cold outside." The lighting is awful. You can't see the map, but you've seen it multiple years. It's a snowman. And then we have this. Yes. This beautiful blue light. So pretty. And then we have the nativity scene here. Yes. Okay, so now we have the bush. Here, little baby bushes. This reindeer. Oh, he is so pretty. Okay, let me jump over this gumdrop so I can show you up close from this angle. It's gorgeous. Deer. And the bushes. Oh my god, look at that. It's a little baby bush too. It has lights. And then we have the window right there. And more bushes. Okay, you guys. Well, that is... Let me just show you another angle here. How everything looks like. And then the next clip, I'm going to take you guys downstairs, and then we'll do upstairs. Just showing you a different angle. Okay, you guys, let's go inside. Okay, you guys, we're inside. So I want to start with this beautiful holiday cranberries. And then we have this little cute little elf. Yes. And then we have holiday candles. Holiday tablecloth. Look at all the detail. So nice. Yes. This little holiday elf village. So cute with the cute little lights here. These cone trees, so pretty. These are from Target, but like from like 10 years ago. So we've had that for a long time. These elves are vintage and so cute. I love these little elves. They're so sweet. And then this, I think, is from Target as well. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Yes. Love that song, you guys know. Yeah. So that's everything over here. Then if we go over here, you guys, look how cute this is. We have the poinsettias. These are faux poinsettias. Gorgeous. Inside here we have snowflake lights and a Christmas tree. Yes. Beautiful ornaments, plates. See, that changes colors. How beautiful is that? Oh, I love that. I love angels. They're so pretty. So lovely. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. Oh, so gorgeous. Let me take my slippers off. We have this beautiful school with snow on it. Gorgeous. Okay, let's go up here. Oh, cute little elf here. Elf picture here. Very sweet. Okay, so over here, let's go over here really quickly. Show you guys this beautiful wreath. We hung this wreath here this year. Usually we put him upstairs somewhere, but we put him here. I call him a him, why not? And then this is one of the main focuses, you guys. Look at this tree. Oh my God. Oh, absolutely spectacular. So I want to show you the lights off, and then I want to show you the lights on. Oh, this is so pretty. Turn the chandelier on. Oh, this is probably my favorite, this tree. It's so beautiful. It just reminds me of like Barney's New York, the Christmas windows. It's stunning. Oh, absolutely stunning. Beautiful. I just can't get enough of this tree. It's next level. And then up here we have some more festive stuff there. So gorgeous. Oh, let me show you this. Oh, so pretty. There's just stuff everywhere. We did more stuff downstairs this year, I think. And then let's see, is there any stuff? Oh yeah, there's stuff here. Lights, and we have the lamps and the ornaments and the trees. And then the wreath. Is there anything else? I think that's it for downstairs. Yeah, I think that's it for downstairs. So let me just turn this off really quick and we're gonna be upstairs. See you upstairs. Okay, really quickly, let's just show this. This is the outside of my bedroom. We have a wreath there. This already didn't really change much. Really quickly, just show you the outside of this door. Put this light on really quick. There you go. Really pretty. Okay, just one thing in the bathroom here. Just a little angel I want to show you. She's so cute. I think she was there last year too. Just want to show you that really quickly. Okay, guys. Now I put nothing in my room this year. I kept my room chill. We kept the walls chill too. And we just did a lot of nice things in here. So we have the angel here, Father Christmas in gold, a gold angel cuddling up to the Santa. Then we have this tree, which, oh, let me show you the lights off because it's next level. So pretty. Oh my gosh. With the presents underneath. And then we have all these guys here. We have Frosty the Snowman there. We have Santa. Oh, I love him so much. Cute little elf hiding back there, helping with the toys, the presents, and the garland, the tinsel. So beautiful. Oh, gotta do two trees. We have the Nutcracker, and then the elf, of course, back there. And then we have some pillows here. Let me show you really quickly. We have I Believe in Santa, a gingerbread house, And baby, it's cold outside. And this matches the floor mat, the door mat outside. Okay, last but not least, we have this wall here, and we did zigzag lights this year. Oh, before I turn the lights off, because this looks better with the lights off, I want to show you this gingerbread man. He's so cute. He's chilling here, baking the cookies and the gingerbread little poster thing. So yeah, let me show you with the lights off, and then we're gonna end this tour. Yes. Oh, give me the whole experience right now. These lights look so pretty. They're gorgeous. They really are stunning. Oh, they really are. Yes, those lights are flickering over there. But it is what it is. We're gonna change them out. They're working a few minutes ago, but I guess they're not. But you get the point. They're just gonna be lights over there. And then they zigzag there. And yeah, just really, really pretty. But yeah, that's everything that we did this year. Yes, they came on. A mess. They came on just in time for the video. Thank you. So now you see how they look off, and this is how they look on. You see, an angel is turning the lights on for you guys. Yes. So yeah, that's everything for this year. We toned it down just a little bit. I don't have all those signs like I usually have. I don't know. I wanted something a little different, a little more toned down with the signs this year. But everything else is a little bit the same, a little bit different, but the usual stuff. But a little more toned down, a little bit more downstairs, and yeah. So yeah, a little different, mixing up a little bit. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe if you're new. And until next time, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Bye, guys.